Claude Sonnet 4.6 plus NotebookLM is insane. Today I'm going to show you a combo that broke my brain, 2 free AI tools, 3 simple steps, and by the end you'll have a full landing page, a killer strategy, and a business plan that actually makes sense. No coding, no design skills, no fluff, just copy, paste, and watch the magic happen. This is the easiest AI workflow I've ever found, and nobody is talking about it. Let me show you exactly how it works. So here's what's going on. Anthropic dropped Claude Sonnet 4.6. And this thing is different. It's not just a little update. This version is way sharper at long-form thinking, structured outputs, and strategic reasoning. It feels less like a chatbot and more like a business analyst sitting next to you. It gives you clean formatting, logical flow, and it thinks like a founder, not a robot. Now, on the other side, you've got Google's NotebookLM. This tool keeps getting better. You can throw huge chunks of research into it and it will pull out the key ideas, find the patterns, and restructure everything into something clean and useful. It's like having a strategist who reads everything and never gets tired. Here's the thing though, each tool on its own is solid, but when you combine them, that's where it gets crazy. You get a 3-step system that takes you from zero to a full strategy and landing page in under 30 minutes. And I'm going to walk you through every single step right now. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's jump in. Step 1, deep research inside Claude Sonnet 4.6. This is where you build your foundation. You go into Claude and you give it a prompt like this. You are an elite research analyst. I want you to deeply research the topic of AI automation communities and how they help businesses scale. Deliver a market overview, target audience breakdown, main pain points, existing competitors, gaps in the market, unique positioning opportunities, key messaging angles that convert, objections customers may have, data points for credibility, and a summary of the opportunity in simple language. Make it detailed, structured, and strategic. No fluff. Think like a startup founder preparing to launch. Now, here's what happens. Claude Sonnet 4.6 comes back with this massive structured breakdown. It covers the whole market. It tells you who your audience is. It finds the gaps nobody else is filling. It gives you the exact messaging angles that work. And it does all of this in clean, organized sections you can actually use. So for example, if you're building something like the AI Profit Boardroom, Claude might show you that most AI communities are either too technical or too surface level. It might find that business owners want practical, step-by-step AI workflows they can use right now, not theory, not hype, just real systems that save time and bring in results. That's a gap. And that's gold. Now you copy all of that output, every single word, because we're about to make it even better. Step 2, you take that research and you drop it into NotebookLM. Open up Google NotebookLM, create a new notebook, paste everything Claude gave you right in there, then you hit it with this prompt. Using the uploaded research, extract the strongest business opportunity. Turn the positioning into a clear value proposition for the AI Profit Boardroom, an AI automation community that helps business owners scale with practical AI workflows. Create a unique offer statement. Identify the most emotionally powerful messaging angle. Create a simple 3-part product framework. Simplify everything into clear, persuasive language. Structure it like a pre-launch strategy document. Make it concise, sharp, and persuasive. Avoid generic language. Think like a world-class conversion strategist. And this is where NotebookLM does something wild. It reads all that research. It finds the patterns. It cuts the fluff. It sharpens the positioning. And it hands you back a clean strategy document with a clear value proposition, an emotional hook, and a defined framework. So now instead of a wall of research, you've got clarity, you know exactly what to say, who to say it to, and why it matters. Most people never get to this point. They stay stuck in research mode forever, but you just jumped ahead. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. And if you want to rank #1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we actually teach you how this works. No theory, no recycled tips, just the exact AI SEO systems we're using right now. We break everything down step by step with real workflows, weekly live support, and clear actions you can follow without guessing. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, this is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. Now let's keep going because step 3 is where it all comes together. Step 3, you go back to NotebookLM and you ask it to create a prompt for you. Yes, you're using AI to write a prompt for AI. That's the trick nobody's using. Here's what you paste into NotebookLM. Based on the finalized positioning and strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom, write a detailed AI prompt that I can paste into Claude Sonnet 4.6 to generate a high-converting landing page. The prompt should instruct Claude to write a strong headline, create a compelling sub-headline, structure sections including problem, solution, benefits, proof, offer, and call to action, include emotional triggers, address objections, use persuasive but natural language, and be optimized for conversion. Make the prompt extremely detailed so Claude produces elite-level copy. NotebookLM takes your entire strategy and turns it into a master prompt. This prompt is packed with context. It knows your audience, it knows the pain points, it knows the positioning, everything. Now you take that master prompt and paste it back into Claude Sonnet 4.6, and Claude goes to work. It builds you a full landing page, strong headline, clear structure, emotional hooks, objection handling, a call to action that actually makes people want to click. All of it. Done. So let me break down what just happened. In step 1, Claude did the deep thinking. In step 2, NotebookLM structured and sharpened everything. In step 3, Claude executed at a high level because it had perfect context. Research, strategy, execution. 3 steps, 2 free tools, 1 powerful result. And here's why this matters. Most people use AI wrong. They open ChatGPT or Claude and type in one vague prompt and expect magic. That doesn't work. But when you chain these tools together, when you use one AI to feed another AI, you get output that's 10 times better than anything you'd get from a single prompt. Think about it. You could use this exact workflow to build a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that shows business owners exactly how AI automation saves them time, gets them more customers, and gives them step-by-step systems they can follow today. You could use it to create lead magnets, email sequences, content strategies. The possibilities are endless. So who's this for? If you're a business owner, this is for you. If you run an agency, this is for you. If you're building a community, a course, a product, anything online, this is for you. If you need clarity on your positioning and you want copy that actually converts, this 3-step workflow will change how you work. Now, here's my challenge to you. Try this today. Pick one topic, run it through all 3 steps, and see what comes out. I think you're going to be shocked. And one more thing. If you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. And if you want to rank number 1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we actually teach you how this works. No theory, no recycled tips, just the exact AI SEO systems we're using right now. We break everything down step by step with real workflows, weekly live support, and clear actions you can follow without guessing. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, this is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. I'll see you in the next one.